Welcome to Home Cooking and Home Remedies, the place where we rediscover the power of natural healing, one simple ingredient at a time. In this episode, we're going to explore a soothing bedtime drink that can gently cleanse, relax, and refresh your body, all while you sleep. You might have seen countless detox trends online, but this one stands apart because it's built on the simplest wisdom that real healing happens when your body is resting, not rushing. For hundreds of years, people in Asia, the Middle East, and Mediterranean regions have ended their day with a cup of warm water infused with honey, lemon, and ginger. It's calming, comforting, and deeply cleansing, a habit that nourishes the body from the inside and restores the mind at the same time. So tonight, I invite you to relax, listen closely, and imagine yourself preparing this warm, golden drink, feeling its comfort travel through your body as you drift into peaceful sleep. Why night detox matters all day long. Your body is busy working, digesting, absorbing, cleansing, protecting. But at night, it finally enters the healing mode. That's when your cells repair themselves, your liver cleans your blood, and your hormones rebalance. Yet, if your system is dehydrated or loaded with processed food, caffeine, and toxins, this natural repair slows down. By simply drinking a warm, natural detox water before bed, you're giving your organs a kind helping hand, a signal that says it's time to rest, refresh, and renew. Your liver, stomach, and kidneys all work more efficiently when you are hydrated and relaxed. This bedtime drink doesn't shock your system. It supports it gently, helping you wake up lighter, cleaner, and full of calm energy the next morning. The ancient power of 4 ingredients. Let's take a slow, mindful walk through the 4 ingredients that make this bedtime drink so powerful. Lemon. Lemon has always symbolized freshness and purity. It's not just a fruit. It's medicine wrapped in fragrance and sunlight. Ancient healers believed lemon could balance the body's heat and coolness, restoring internal harmony. Modern science agrees. Lemon is rich in vitamin C and natural acids that stimulate the liver to release cleansing enzymes. When taken at night, it gently helps the liver break down fats, neutralize toxins, and clean your blood. That's why you wake up with clearer skin and a fresher feeling after a few nights. Lemon's light sourness also stimulates the digestive system. It encourages healthy bowel movements, reduces acidity, and provides your body with antioxidants that slow down cellular aging. Each drop of lemon juice is like a small spark of life inside your system. Ginger. In almost every traditional healing system, ginger is called the universal medicine. In Ayurveda, it's known as Vishvabheshija, meaning it can balance all 3 doshas, Vata, Pitta, and Kapha, the energies that govern your body. Ginger brings warmth. It increases circulation, helps nutrients reach your cells faster, and supports digestion by relaxing the muscles in your stomach. If you often feel heavy after dinner or experience gas or bloating, this ingredient becomes your best friend. Ginger's compounds, gingerols and showgales, fight inflammation and act as antioxidants. They relieve joint stiffness, muscle fatigue, and even nausea. That's why sipping this drink after a long day feels like your body is being gently reset. Honey. Honey has been used in medicine for more than 4,000 years, from the tombs of Egypt to the texts of Ayurveda. It's called liquid gold for a reason. Raw honey is filled with enzymes, minerals, and plant compounds that nourish your body and soothe the stomach. When you take honey at night, something special happens. It triggers the release of tryptophan in your brain, which helps produce serotonin and then melatonin. That's why you fall asleep easier and stay asleep longer. It also feeds the friendly bacteria in your gut, which strengthens your immunity over time. Honey also neutralizes the strong heat of lemon and ginger, bringing a perfect balance, sweet, sour, and warm, working in harmony inside your body. Warm water. Warm water might seem simple, but it's the unsung hero. It helps dissolve toxins, carries nutrients smoothly, and keeps your body hydrated at the cellular level. Cold water can shock your system at night, but warm water relaxes it, like a blanket for your digestive organs. It opens your blood vessels, improves circulation, and prepares your body for rest. When combined with lemon, ginger, and honey, it becomes a natural elixir that moves through your system, cleaning and healing as it flows. Together, these 4 ingredients form a balanced team. Lemon cleanses, ginger activates, honey heals, and warm water carries the goodness deep into every part of your body. How to prepare your 7-day detox water. The beauty of this recipe lies in its simplicity. Take 1 cup of warm water, not hot, just comfortably warm. Add half the juice of a fresh lemon. Grate a small piece of ginger, about ½ an inch, and stir it in. Then, add 1 teaspoon of raw honey and mix gently. Let it sit for a minute or 2. Take a slow sip, feel the warmth travel down, and imagine the healing beginning inside you. Drink it about 30 minutes before bed, in peace and gratitude. The 7-day journey. How your body changes. Let's walk through what happens each day when you commit to this nightly ritual. Day 1. Awakening your system. The very first night might feel ordinary, but your body has already started to listen. As you drink the warm mix, your stomach begins releasing digestive enzymes. You'll feel warmth spread across your chest and stomach, a calm relaxation that helps you sleep faster. By morning, you may notice your mouth feels fresher and your body less heavy. Day 2. Gentle cleansing begins the 2nd day. Your digestive system wakes up more alert. Lemon and ginger start cleansing mild toxins, while honey helps hydrate your colon. You might notice better bowel movements or reduced bloating. Sleep becomes deeper as honey helps stabilize your nighttime blood sugar. Day 3. Liver activation. By the 3rd night, your liver begins to respond. It starts breaking down stored fats and old toxins more efficiently. You may wake up with slightly clearer skin and more energy. Some people even feel a lightness in the belly, a sign that the body is digesting food more completely. Day 4. Improved metabolism and circulation. By day 4, your blood circulation improves. The ginger's heat widens blood vessels, allowing oxygen to flow better. You might notice you wake up earlier, with less fatigue and fewer cravings for heavy breakfast foods. Your metabolism is now working in balance with your natural sleep rhythm. Day 5. Deeper cleansing and skin renewal. Now the results become visible. Your skin looks slightly clearer, your face less puffy, and digestion feels smooth. This is because the antioxidants from lemon and honey are now actively removing impurities from your blood. You may even notice improved mood. As your gut health improves, your serotonin levels rise naturally. Day 6. Stable energy and calm sleep. By the 6th day, your body begins to trust the routine. Your liver, gut, and brain are aligned. You feel calmer, less anxious, and fall asleep faster. Because your digestion is efficient, your body doesn't waste energy struggling to process late meals. You wake up lighter, mentally and physically. Day 7. The full reset. The 7th night feels special, because by now, this drink is more than a habit. It's a nightly ritual of healing. Your internal system is balanced, your liver is active but not overworked, and your cells are rehydrated and oxygenated. You'll notice not just physical changes, but emotional ones too. Your mind feels clearer, your mood brighter, and your energy smoother throughout the day. This is what real wellness feels like: gentle, steady, and rooted in nature's rhythm. The science behind the ancient wisdom. Let's pause to understand what modern science says about this combination. Studies show that lemon water stimulates the production of liver enzymes that neutralize harmful compounds in your blood. Ginger, according to clinical research, helps increase gastric motility, which means it helps your stomach empty faster, reducing bloating and nausea. Raw honey has antibacterial properties and prebiotics that nourish the good bacteria in your gut. When your gut microbiome thrives, your immune system strengthens, your inflammation reduces, and your mood stabilizes. Warm water enhances circulation, supports kidney function, and increases the efficiency of digestion by keeping the stomach muscles relaxed. Together, these 4 create a biochemical synergy, a blend that gently detoxifies without depriving your body or shocking it like artificial detox products do. This is science meeting tradition, modern evidence supporting ancient wisdom. Within a few nights, most people notice small but meaningful shifts. You begin to feel lighter after dinner. That uncomfortable fullness that once made sleep difficult starts fading. As your digestion improves, your skin slowly starts to show a subtle glow. You'll find yourself waking up earlier without the same heaviness you used to feel in your head and body. Your sleep feels smoother, deeper, and more refreshing. Many describe it as peaceful tiredness, not exhaustion, but true rest. Your mood also begins to shift. That morning irritability or stress you used to carry seems to melt away. These small changes are your body's way of saying thank you. You gave it a moment of care, and it's responding. The difference may seem quiet, but it's real. It's your inner balance being restored one night at a time. As peaceful as this ritual is, it's still important to be mindful. Always use fresh ingredients. Never bottled lemon or processed honey. Raw. Natural honey contains living enzymes that are destroyed by heat, so let your water cool slightly before adding it. If you have diabetes or are watching your sugar, talk to your doctor or use a few drops of stevia instead. If you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or have a sensitive stomach, you can reduce the ginger quantity or skip it entirely. This ritual should never feel harsh or burning. It should feel soothing and warm. Make sure to drink your detox water at least 30 minutes after dinner, giving your stomach time to settle. And finally, remember, it's not about one magical drink. It's about the habit of slowing down, hydrating, and nourishing yourself before bed. This simple drink represents more than a home remedy. It's a nightly message to your body that you care. It tells your organs, your mind, and your soul that you are ready to heal gently. You don't need complicated diets or expensive cleanses. You only need a few minutes of attention each night and 4 humble ingredients from your kitchen. When you sip that warm golden water, take it as a reminder that healing is not about doing more, it's about doing less, but with intention. So tonight, before bed, prepare this cup for yourself. Drink it slowly. Feel its warmth. And let your body do what it was born to do. Heal, cleanse, and renew. Thank you for listening to Home Cooking and Home Remedies. If you found peace or inspiration in this episode, share it with someone you love. Remember, the best medicine doesn't always come in a bottle. It often begins with a cup of warm water, a slice of lemon, a spoon of honey, and a few minutes of gratitude. Until next time, stay calm, stay kind to your body, and trust nature's rhythm. Good night and good health.